What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your boy, Dr. Curry, and we back with another big body banger. Listen, guys, I've been in the lab tweaking and learning and studying and really diving deep into everything that we have when it comes from the banking software, tools, the education, the leadership. You guys already know we have the best of the best. Need I say more? I am definitely a master when it comes to breaking things down and making it work for everybody I come in contact with. Well, what you guys don't know is I like to get into my bag and really get into the lab to figure out some new tweaks, some new things to bring you guys more exclusive material, more exclusive strategies, different insights to help you really dominate in the market at a high level. See, my goal for you is to be able to look into the market, see the opportunity, and execute without hesitation. Well, guys, I say, I found something. I've been in the lab. I wrote a couple scripts. And what I did was I actually put the way I look at the market, the way I like to trade into the charts. Now, why is this so powerful? Why is this so impactful? The reason this is so impactful is because now you'll be able to trade by yourself as if you're trading with me, looking at the market. Guys, when I say cheat code, I mean cheat code. When I say confident, I mean confident. When I say exclusive, I mean exclusive. And today, I'm going to sit back. I'm going to be quiet. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to back test some things. And I'm going to show you exactly when I get into the market and how I get into the market. Now, here's the thing with this script that I've developed for you guys, it's going to give you your entry points and exit points. And you can go a little bit deeper, but I'm not going to go into that. What I've developed is I've developed a system that's going to pop an alert on the chart so you know when to get in. But listen here. You're going to stay in that trade until you get the reversal, until you get the opposite signal. Somebody say big body banger, big body banger. Here's the beautiful part. You can break this down even more once you become a little bit more advanced and you can see double entries and everything of that nature in the market. If you know candle patterns, it's a bonus because now you'll be able to see extra entries when you're doing that. Listen. This works on binary options. This works on Forex. This works on stocks. This works on futures. This is really for my futures individuals. Guys, I'm going to show you how you can enter the market with one contract. We're not going to be greedy today. We're not going to do 2 contracts, 3 contracts. We're not going to be going for 2 ticks. No, we going for the home run every single time. See, back in the day, I created a strategy based off the 90-10 principle, the 90-10 strategy, where you risk 10% to gain 90%. Well, today, with the way we're about to do this, you're going to risk 2 ticks to gain 100%. Yeah, somebody talk to me. So look, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and dive into this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. I will be trading NAS. I could do this on any pair, but today I want to be exclusive and give you the insight because I already shared this with my community, my people inside of my organization. But now this is for you all. This is so you guys can see how we get down on these charts because I know you've seen the flyers. I know you see what's going on. Let me show you how we do what we do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen real quick. Let's see here. We're going to share. We're going to share. We're going to share over here. And then we're going to hop directly into it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for my first trade. Let's get it.
Ooh. Tell me when to go. 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 Ooh, Jesus Christ had dreads, so shake 'em. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some. Imagine all the Hebrews going down, dancing on top of chariots and turning tight ones. Ooh, tell me when to go. Talking on my Getro on my way to the stop. My second or third trip. Some Henny, some Swishers, and some Listerine strips. Dr. Green Thumb lips just to ease my thoughts. Not just to but the homies you gotta watch. The moon is full, look at the dark cloud.
All right, so I'm waiting for my entry right now. I see prices definitely hitting my area of interest. So what I'm looking for right now is I'm looking for a little asterisk to appear. And soon as it does, I am in the market. See, I have this set up. So once I get that alert, we can expect big moves to happen in the market. So I'm being patient. And then I have an extra level, as you guys see, my purple line, that is big, big pressure. Woo, look at that right there. Look at that. That would have been a nice move, but that could have been news that happened in the market. So we missed that. That's okay. You could have very well been in that trade for a buy, could have went the direction you wanted to, or it could have went against you. So let's see here. Let's see here. Oh yeah, y'all see that? That's bonus. That's bonus. Y'all don't even worry about those right there. See, if you know how to use this, this is telling you entries of different levels of when to sell that market. I have a kill shot entry as well. That is your dynamic entry. What I like to do is when price gets to those levels right there, me personally, I go in with a higher contract or a bigger lot size when it comes to that. So right now, guys, we just sitting back and we are waiting for a dynamic entry. I could take a trade right there because I know what when to enter that trade, but I'm waiting for my alerts to pop up. That's what I'm waiting on. I'm not doing anything. I'm being patient. I am just waiting because I want you guys to see exactly how this plays out.
Ooh. Tell me when to go. 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 Jesus Christ had dreads, so shake 'em. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some. Imagine all the Hebrews going down, dancing on top of chariots and turning tight ones. Ooh, tell me when to go. Talking on my Getro on my way to the stop. My second or third trip. Some Henny, some Swishers, and some Listerine strips. Dr. Green Thumb lips, just to ease my thoughts. Not just the cops, but the homies you gotta watch. The moon is full, look at the dark cloud.
So it popped up right there. Guys, you could take your profits actually right here if you want to. It hit that zone. Could have took your profit right there. But I was looking for my asterisks to actually pop up. So I'm just going to chill. I want to run this system through. I want to make sure that everything is right. But this is your area of interest. When they hit those levels, guys, you can literally get out of the trade. But I'm holding because I did not get my reverse signal yet. So I'm being patient. There it is. Out right there. So price did come up here, guys. I'm going to hop into a sell right here because price did come into my area. We did see the area of interest. So I'm going to increase my timing when it comes with this. I don't know if it's just the delay right now. That's another sell. I don't know if it's just the delay right now because I am running this on the replay of how fast it's actually showing up. But we gonna fix that and we gonna make it even better. So as it hits my zone, guys, I'm entering the trade. I know where it's going on. That's definitely the kill shot area. I actually entered for 2 contracts because I seen that pool. You guys already know we only need $200 per day when we're doing those futures accounts. So we're sitting at the 190 right now. I'm waiting for this bad boy to go ahead and come down here. 2 contracts. You guys see very minimum pullback, if any at all. Very minimum. We're still in profit. We're still in profit. I'm looking for the drop. So we got a pullback. Did it hit my zone? Boom. That's another entry for me. I'm going to take an entry right there because we're in my zone. So now on a 100K account, I would be down $840. You can go back a minimum 2,000 for the day. I'm going to be patient. 13, looking a little scary, right? Looking a little scary. That was a whole nother entry, but I didn't take another entry right there because I didn't want to go into that real big drawdown, especially if it would have spiked up. And I'm glad I didn't. That's at 16 right now. So what's going to happen? That's at 2,000, right? Boom, we're done for the day. That would have hit stop loss right there. Would have been done for the day. The market decided to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take another sell there because we're in my area of interest. Now, if I can get price to pull up there, that is the big boy entry where you take the bigger lot size for that trade. So now I need to go make up 2K, right? Because now I'm down in my account. I was up, but now I'm a little down now. So let me see how this market continues to play out. This is NAS 100 and very, very volatile.
Ooh. Tell me when to go. 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 Jesus Christ had dreads, so shake 'em. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some. Imagine all the Hebrews going dumb, dancing on top of chariots and turning tight ones. Ooh, tell me when to go. Talking on my Getro on my way to the south. My second or third trip. Some Henny, some Swishers, and some Listerine strips. Dr. Green Thumb lips just to ease my thoughts. Not just the cops, but the homies you gotta watch. The moon is full, look at the dark cloud.
Let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit. Speed it up a little bit. Speed that up a little bit. There we go. There we go. So we're just watching. We being patient. We're just going to let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. Just down 540, down 540. Come on now. Come on now. Do your thing, baby. Do your thing. Down 680. Do your thing. Do your thing. Giving me multiple entries for an opportunity. Every time it hits my level, guys, that's a whole nother bag. Whole nother opportunity. Don't want this to continue to go up too high to take us out of profit even when it pulls back. 2 contracts. Come on now. Come on. Come on now. Come on now.
Ooh. Tell me when to go. 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 Ooh, Jesus Christ had dreads, so shake 'em. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some. Imagine all the Hebrews going.
There we go. There we go. I'm getting out of that trade. The reason I took my profit out of that trade because I finally got out of that negative spot, that negative area. My zones here collapsed. So it wasn't a lot of volume in that market. We did have that sell back there. So now I'm just being patient. I want to see if I get another entry. We will be taking a trade at still 1 contract. I'm going to show you guys how. There we go. I wanted that entry right there. I wanted that entry. That was a beautiful entry. There's another one. I'm going to take an entry right there because it's in my zone. I do not have a buy indication yet, but it's in my zone. It's in my zone to enter that market. I know here that the market wants to turn around in this area for a buy. So I'm just being patient. Now, there's another one. I really want my signal in this area. And I'm looking to see if I get that signal. I may go 1 more contract in this area because I do not get that star. That star will appear when there's big moves. There's another one. That's 3 contracts, not doing anymore unless it comes down to my kill shot area. So when the star populates, there we go, guys, I'm out right there. 605 hit my area. I'm out. I'm not even waiting. I'm not doing anything else. So the kill shot area up here, that's the sniper entry. That's where you really want to see price set because it's going to be extremely volatile in those areas. And I'm gonna tell you this, you can literally sell from zone to zone. You guys see I'm on the 1 minute time frame. There we go. Big pressure, big pressure. Big pressure. Let's see. Let's see. That's actually a sell zone, but I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that right now. I see a bunch of wicks right there. Boom, pushed up right through. I'm looking for my entry, looking for my entry, looking for the entry. Let's go.
Help me.
Come on.
Help me.
Come on. Looking for that entry, y'all. Looking for that entry. Now, I wonder if I could take a trade here and see will it drop down. I'm not going to do it right now. I know that's how it normally plays out, and I'm glad I didn't. Look at that. That's an entry. Looking for that drop, looking for that drop, looking for my signal, looking for my signal. I may switch over and go to gold and see if I actually get more signals on gold. And the reason I say on gold, because we know that gold likes to respect the it likes to respect. Did I miss this one? It likes to respect structure.
Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep.
See where we going, where we going, where we going. It loves to respect structure, guys. Loves to respect structure. Now, I could go in here and change my settings so I get more alerts, but I don't want more alerts. I want these to come out when they're good, powerful trades with a lot of value, a lot of momentum in the market. And I'm actually going to take, nope, buy. Man, I missed it. Let me zoom in. I sure did miss it. Let me zoom in. This is definitely sell territory right here. Sell territory. I'm down 1,700 right here. I'm still down. I haven't made up for that loss yet. But we're just going to go and ride the market. That's all we can do. That's all we can do.
I apologize for my outburst.
We're going to take a sell right there because it's in that zone, super tight zone. Let's see how this plays out right here. We'll take our money. I see she's pushing up some more. I'm going to go ahead and get another one. I'm going to take a 2 contract here. We're down 345. 345. I'm going to take our early sell entry right there. Boom, 3 contracts in this market. She's going up a little bit more. Let's go ahead and get this to drop down. Looking for it to come down to this area. Right now, it looks like she would be riding the RSI of the oversold area right now. That's exactly what it looks like. We're starting to drop. That's 250, 315 right now. We're positive now, 15. Let's go ahead and continue to get that drop. I'm looking to get out of the market once it gets down here. Now, if you're on a 100K account, you guys already know you can go a little bit higher when it comes to those contract size. There she go. Pull back. Zones are getting smaller. So boom. As soon as I get into that profit, I want to get out of this trade because now they're contracting. Oops, I don't want to do that. I'm looking for her to get down there. Go ahead and get into profit. Spike down. Looking for the spike down. Looking for it to get in that zone. Get down there. Boom. I'm out right there. 285. I'm out. Here's a buy area. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to buy. We're down 415 right now. Beautiful buy. I wanted it here. I wanted it here, but it's the way the replay is working right now. So I will look. That's a 2 contract right here. Supposed to be on 1. There we go. We up 240, 350. Go ahead and make your way up there. 370. Come on. 460. Boom. Taking my money. I'm out right there. I'm not even playing with it. As soon as they hit my first level, I am out. I am out. Beautiful. Look at that. Zone to zone. Boom. This is smaller, right? So now that my zone is smaller, I'm going to risk a little bit more. 3 contracts right here. Looking to take, I'm going to take an early buy right here in this area. If it drops down, that's even better. We're down 755. We're going to get that money back. We're going to get that money back. Now I'm going to drop down to a 1 contract real quick for an additional entry in this area if it pulls back. We see 600. There's no need to take another. Well, I'm going to take an entry right there. Now I want to go ahead and close that gap. She's still going. She's still going. She's still going. Oh, she's dropping. She's dropping. We have 1 contract right there. We do have another entry in there. Come on. Come on, Nas. Do what you do.
Ooh. Tell me when to go. 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 Jesus Christ had drift, so shake 'em. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some. Imagine all the Hebrews going dumb, dancing on top of chariots and turning tight ones. Ooh, tell me when to go. Talking on my Getro on my way to the stop. My second or third trip. Some Henny, some Swishers, and some Listerine strips. Dr. Green Thumb lips just to ease my thoughts. Not just the cops, but the homies you gotta watch. The moon is full, look at the dark cloud.
Come on. Come on. Come on. One contract right there on them. One contract. We got a bigger zone, more money up in here to be made, more money to be made. If she pulls back, we will definitely take another entry, but we're just going to go ahead and let her do it. She's in consolidation right now, moving side to side. So it's all good.
Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep.
Right, that 200 mark, 200 mark. Go ahead and get up. Ooh, entry, entry, entry. Give me that entry. Yeah, give me that entry. I definitely took that entry. That's down in that zone. Go ahead and push up, baby. Give me that money. Yes, sir. So when you're trading this on the Forex side, all these are entries down here, all of them. Can your account withstand it? Can your account withstand it? Ooh, are you about to give me another one? No. Come on. Oh, she dropping. Yeah, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, baby. That's 7 contracts. 7 contracts. Go ahead and push up, baby. Push up, push up, push up. There we go. There we go. Go ahead and get up there. Go ahead. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Push up there. Yup, yup. Oh, it hit my zone. It hit my zone.
Tell me when to go. 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 Jesus Christ had drift, so shake 'em. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some. Imagine all the Hebrews going dumb, dancing on top of chariots and turning tight ones. Ooh, tell me when to go. Talking on my Getro on my way to the stop. My second or third trip. Some Henny, some Swishers, and some Listerine strips. Dr. Green Thumb lips just to ease my thoughts. Not just the cops, but the homies you gotta watch. The moon is full, look at the dark cloud.
So you guys see that it hit. Oh, I'm out. You guys see that it hit my zone earlier, but I missed it. I missed it. I did. So what I'm going to show you guys a little bit later, I'm going to show you guys how to actively have this, because it looks like with the replay, what I'm saying is that this part is delayed. And guys, you see we're up 15K. We're definitely in the sell territory right now. She hits that purple. This is an early entry for a sell because it hit my first level. There's 3 levels in here. And then here's your 4th level for the bigger bang. So that first line is your early entry. That is your early entry for the trade. You need your 200, your 200. Boom, there it is right there off one contract. Simple, simple. So I'm watching. I'm being patient. I want to see what else is going to happen. Y'all, this is so dope. That's another entry right there. 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 Another entry. That's really in the zone. So I will be taking another entry if she pulls back up there to that area. And then when you're doing this live, I show you guys, I only risk probably about $150 to $200 on a pullback. That's all I risk. That's it. If it's not going in that direction, I'm out of that trade and I wait for the setup to really go ahead and give me what I'm looking for. Boom, I'm going to take that sell right there because she hit my area. I should have went in with a 2 contract right there because of my earlier entry. So I'm in 3 contracts right now on the first level. Want to push it down right away to get out of this trade. It looks like she's going into this level. Those are all additional entry points. Boom, we 125. I want to get into green, out $50. I'm not even messing with it because we're going sideways. I don't care if she comes and hit. It's not a good trade. And the reason it's not a good trade because she's not ready to run right now. So I'm cool. You guys see the sideways momentum. If you want to stay in that trade and I was an entry and deal with the sideways momentum, you very well can. You very well can. So guys, the first day we were in the trade, I hit my 200, that's an entry. I hit my $200,000 loss because of the pullback, but then came back, let's per se, the very next day, we got that back and we're definitely in the more profit. We already made our 6K for that challenge. We would have been done. 100K account, you got way more contracts to get into the market to double and dabble with one and add in additional entries. That's another entry right there to get into that market. That's another entry right there. I missed that. Boom, I'm taking that entry. You guys see, that's the middle line. That's an entry. Those are all entries for you guys. Like we can't make this up. 825, 1,000, give me my money. I took it out at 485. It's okay. That's profit. That is profit. You feel me? Let's go. Let's go. Early entry. Why not? Take it. Why? Because I'm confident. This is structured. Big bag. That would have been a big bag if we would have held. And look, no signal. We just going off our areas, off my zones, guys. I'm telling you, man, when I created this, I said, how can I make this easier for the people? How can I make, and let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Dr. Curry, Big City Pressure with bonus trades. Guys, this has so much more in it, y'all. So much more in it. I'm not playing with y'all. I'm not playing. So much more up in here to really help you guys dominate in the market. And I got some other ones over here as well. Yeah, when I tell you phenomenal, phenomenal. Entry, entry, entry. Why not? Because it's in my zone. Ooh, give me that too. Give it to me. You back there again? Give it to me. Oh, big drop, big drop. Give me that. I'm in 5 contracts. I don't do more than 5 contracts, y'all. Oh my goodness. What's gonna happen? Am I gonna lose this trade? Am I gonna cash out? Am I gonna crash out? That's 5 contracts. Let's let it play out and see what it do. It might be good, it might be bad. What y'all think? Y'all let me know what y'all think gonna happen.
Ooh. Tell me when to go. 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 Jesus Christ had drift, so shake 'em. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some. Imagine all the Hebrews going down, dancing on top of chariots and turning
Don't get tight.
Ooh, tell
Don't
me when
get
to go.
tight.
Talking on my Getro on my way to the stop. My second or third trip. Some Henny, some Swishers, and some Listerine strips. Dr. Green Thumb lips, just to ease my thoughts. Not just the cops, but the homies you gotta watch. The moon is full, look at the dark cloud.
So what's gonna happen, God? Oh. That would have been good to get me out of that trade. We see we came back to about 3, right? We came back to 3. I'm in 21 contracts. I really can't on a 150. I was a 150 or 100. You can't go over 20 contracts. So now I'm in it, y'all. I'm in it. But look, if I cut my loss, let's just say 5K, I'm still in profit. It's at 6K, 7K. I'm gonna let this play out and see what it's gonna do. I don't know how far I got. This is on the 1-minute time frame. Remember that. And guys, if you want even more dynamic entries, you increase your time. So if we were to go back, and I may show you guys, if we was to go back and put this on a 15-minute time frame, ooh, now we talking big pressure. Now we talking bigger moves, but we going for the 200, the 300, the 400, 500, maybe even 1,000 real quick. That's why you on that 1 minute time frame. Come on, let me see if I can get up out of this. Let me see if I can get up out of this. I need my money. Hit that zone. That was a zone. That was the sell zone. I don't know if she's gonna go above that level. I need her to go above that level to really up, up, up. Ah, man, I wanted my money. I wanted my money right there. That was 640. I could have got out of that trade a little positive. So now I want to see if she's going to explode back to the upside or she's going to come back and touch this level, which is going to put me in another situation. But I could take more entries when, like right there. I could take more entries down there to make up the negative equity, just as long as she don't go deeper down. So we're at 14. My account is almost gone. All my profits are almost gone right now down at the bottom. Let me see what's going to happen. Get me up out of here. Get me up out of here.
Help me.
Get me up out of here.
Help me.
Oh, get me up out of here. What is going on? What is going on? Come on. Another one. Get me up out of here. Get me up out of here. Give me up 30 contracts. Get me up out of here. Get me up out of here. Come on. I need you to push up. I need you to push up. Ooh, price is getting lower and lower. Y'all, this might not be good by the time this ends. I don't know how far I went back, but all I can do is hold on. 25K. Good grief. Oh. Get me out of here. Don't throw a 10 on this bad boy. Get me out. Oh. Get me out of here. She hurting. She hurting. She hurting. Did I get in? There we go. Get me up out of here. Come on. Get up out of here. Get to that top. I got to clear this negative equity out. Here. Come on. Come on. You're playing with me. Get me up out of here. Give me another one right there. Did I get in? I did not. I did not. There we go. Get me up out of here. She closing even smaller. Y'all got to watch that. Y'all got to watch that. She about to drop again. She about to drop again. I got to get up out of here. Come on. Come on. Y'all see I missed my first entry. I could have took my exit at a negative 3,000 and still up. Let me get, I'm out. I ain't playing with that. I'm out. I'm out. Go back to 1. How did I miss that entry right there? Right there on the chart. Maybe I need to go slower so I can see it because I'm definitely missing those. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go like this. Let's see. Looking for you. I'm looking for you. I'm looking for you. Look at that. Zone to zone. Drop. No buy here. Looking for that signal. That signal is big move, big pressure. So, did I move? How did I miss you? How am I missing you? I am missing the signals, y'all. I'm missing the signals. So I'm going to turn on the alerts for inside the system. So when that happens, we're going to get a flash, a pop-up on the screen. There's another one right there. All right, let's go ahead and get to the end of this. Let's get to the end. We done trading. We done. I'm going to go over to gold where we have a little bit more structure. We have a little bit more structure on gold, and we will go from there. Let's go ahead, finish this bad boy out. Does what it does. Hurry up, get to the end. Let's go. Can I go faster? 10 is the fastest I can go. And we'll be back when this is done. Okay, cool. So we are at the end, and you guys can see profit reach 17, win rate 47%, best trade 9K. So we're going to switch it up a little bit. We about to go to gold and see what we can do on gold with this setup. But I'm going to throw a little twist in. The twist I'm getting ready to throw in right now is we're going to see if we can get more entries because this was a little bit slower. So we're going to be able to take trades in between the zones and then also at the zones as well. I'm about to go to your favorite pair, which is gold. Be right back after this. Let's take a commercial break. Ah! All right, guys, we're back. We're back. So here is what I like to call the bonus traits inside of the material. This is for the ones who have done their homework, right? So as you guys can see, I have my zones. I have my kill shot zones. Right here is where you're going to put your heavier lot size, your heavier contract. You could be a little bit more aggressive at these lines. And you can also put a pending order for futures, forex, whatever it may be at those areas, right? So I do have another tool that I've created that at every single line, the value appears next to the line. So you can literally come in, you can see the value, you put in, do what it do, and you go on about your business, come back and look at it later. Works really, really well for binary options as well. Okay. Well, in here, we got our zones, the numbers, and everything like that. And then also what I really want you guys to see is that we have double entries, double signals. So with this tool, you're going to get a lot more signals, as you guys can see. So the big move, as you guys see my star right there, it told me that this was going to sell in my area of interest. And with this one, you stay in the trade until you get the next signal or until it hits the zone, whatever floats your boat. I made it both ways. We have aggressive traders, and then we also have conservative traders. It all depends on what you like to do. And then also now we have an extra layer of exclusivity. And what that means is that you can take a sell here and you can take a sell here. You can stay in that trade till it hits your order here, or you can go from zone to zone until you get the opposite alert. So I'm going to go ahead. I got it on replay. We're not going to do 10. We're going to go a little bit slower on this one because I do not want to miss these entries. And you guys let me know what you think. So let's go ahead. Let's get right into it. Let me play a little bit of Kendrick and let's go. And play. One contract the whole time. Oh, one contract the whole time. Finger is on the trigger. And I want you guys to sell. So I'm out. I was supposed to be a sell right there. A little late on that. And I'm going to hoop out. Buy. Missing my entries because I'm used to hitting it up at the top. Stand in that trade until I get my opposite signal. One contract. Boom. I'm out. Take my sell. Stand in that contract till it hits my zone or opposite signal, whichever one you guys want to do. Fingers on the trigger. Boom. I'm taking my money. 290. I'm cool. But there's a buy. Boom. In that trade. Another entry. Pull back for a negative. I was going to take another entry, but didn't hit it fast enough. Just watching. Guys, pay attention. It's one contract. One contract. We're not playing. We're not playing. One contract. Boom. I like it. You only need 200. You at 180. Boom. I'm out. $10 on that trade. I'll sell here. It's okay. I'm out. Come on. In that trade. Let's go. Let's go. We got in there late. Boom. 260. I'm out. And the only reason I'm out because it hit my area. I'm selling. That's another entry. I'm selling. It bought. I'm buying now. I'm buying. Buy. I'm in it for a buy. Am I in for a buy? I should be in for a buy, right? Sell. Nope. I'm in for a sell. I'm going to hold that sell. Boom. Out. Missed that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Not going to get in that now. I'm going to take that sell, though. Looking for it to hit my zone or the next signal. I'm out. I'm out. 2. Let's go. Let's get the big move. Let's get the big move. Nope. I'm out. Negative 20, 120. I'm in. See, with this one, you get more signals. So you got to be okay with taking some of those losses when you're in the market because you're banking on that bigger move to wipe everything out. So that's a 240. Did I get out? Let me hit a buy. 230. Now, if you want to set this just to 200 and out, 200 and out, you can. 240. I'm going to take my 240. I'm out. Sell. Boom. In. Looking for my 200. Looking for my 200. See if I can get it. 40, 90. Didn't hit my zone. We may not get a 200 here. 180. I'm out. 260. Let's go. Let's go. Buy. Boom. 200. I'm out. Buy again. Because I didn't get a sell. I didn't get a the opposite signal. $30, $40, $20. Come on. 180. I'm out. 230. Let's go, man. Quit playing with me, y'all. Sell.
Ooh. Tell me when to go. 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 Jesus Christ had drift, so shake 'em. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some. Imagine all the Hebrews going down, dancing on top of chariots and turning tight ones. Ooh, tell me when to go. Talking on my Getro on my way to the stop. My second or third trip. Some Henny, some Swishers, and some Listerine strips. Dr. Green Thumb lips, just to ease my thoughts. Not just the cops, but the homies you gotta watch. The moon is full, look at the dark cloud.
Standing until I get another entry. I mean, the opposite signal. There's 200. That's 400. Or it hits my zone. Thank you. Let me get that. I'm out. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. So this win rate was 52. And guys, let me tell you this. When you're watching the market at real time, you can see these entries a lot more clear, because right now you guys see, there's a sell, there's a buy. But see, when you're doing this real time, now you can adjust your settings on how far you're willing to let that trade go back to minimize that drawdown. And that's with even more trades in the market. So I'm gonna give you guys one more. I'll go to S&P and we'll see how it works out over there with doing a lot of trades in the market, as well as hitting our zones and looking at the pending orders, and also looking at our kill shot areas as well. So we'll be back after this commercial. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Help me. Help me.
All right, guys, real quick. We are on S&P 500 future side ES1, and we can do it on Forex, but I like futures, so we're just going to go ahead and stay on futures. Just select the one real quick. You guys already see it's in my area of interest. I would love to get a sell. All I did was click on the link, drag it back real fast, and we're going to go ahead and start from there. So let's see what we got, and let's get it. Got out because it hit my zone. Hit my zone, I'm out. I don't play with it. We up 150. You guys see S&P moves a little bit different. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to increase the contract size a little bit. Oh, get me out of there. Did y'all see that? Oh my gosh. I'm over here trying to adjust. I missed that whole move down to the entry. I seen it at over 1K. I did. Oh man, I missed it. But it's okay. Still in sell territory. There's a buy. Let's go ahead and enter that buy. Yeah. Y'all looking for it to go to the zone or get the opposite signal? Zone or opposite signal, guys. 500 could take our money at 6-7. Let's see what she does though. Look like she's going into a consolidation period right now. Sideways movement. 900. I know y'all would have took that. 1500. Let's go. Patience is key. 1800. Patience is key. We would have been trailing. I could trail. Let me take my 750. We got a sell. Let me get in here for a sell. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a trailing stop as well once price goes into profit as well. Let this thing drop some more. I want more. So now, I was gonna put that. Oh Lord Jesus! I couldn't switch out fast enough. I could not switch out fast enough. We're going to take a sell here, early entry right here because it's in my area of interest. I do not have a sell indication right now. She spiked up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yep, taking my 600 because I don't have a sell. I was just in off the previous area of interest. I don't know what she's gonna do. She's still in buy territory. Let's be ruthless. Thank you, because we were still in buy territory. Get my money. I'm out. That sell entry right there. Let me go ahead and sell. There's no sell signal, right? I'm showing you guys how to use the other tool inside of it. So we up 150 right now. There's my sell. I'm taking another entry with the sell. Looking for it to drop down. Let's go ahead and move the stop loss into profit right there. 900 if it hits the stop loss. Looking for it to continue to drop. There we go. That's 3. I'm out. 3,300. Let's go. Boom. Buy. Get in there. Now we got the buy. So I'm looking for it to go up. 800. I'm out. Close enough to my zone. Didn't want it to pull back. This is 6 contracts right now. Could have took a sell right there from zone to zone. Let's see if it touches that zone. Boom. There it is. Zone. Boom. There's the drop. Man, stop playing with me, y'all. Stop playing with me. This is for y'all. Let's go. Sell. Look at that. Could have took an entry off of there. We could have got that little quick little boom. Let me get that buy. Let's go to that zone. I'm watching 450, 300. Let's see if I can get a spike up. Got a spike down. 300. Boom. There's a touch. I'm out. 900 on that trade. It hit my area. I'm out. Let's go.
Ooh. Tell me when to go.
Let's go. Man.
Tell me when to go. Ooh, Jesus Christ had drift, so shake 'em. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some. Man. Imagine all the Hebrews going down.
Oh man, I love y'all, man. Salute. We out. This was created for you. Let's go.